sauce on me. I got drip, flood the wrist. It's homage to the whip. Still got juice, bitch I'm lit. See the flex, walking lit. Do that for that check, do that for that check, do that for that check, yeah, do that for that check. She won't face.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anika K. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anika K. How y'all doing or whatever? If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning back to the channel. Appreciate your time as always, little baby. Okay, and if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by my small part of the YouTube universe. We appreciate you, okay? And if you do enjoy the content on this channel, I hope you will consider hitting that subscribe button down below, okay? Get into it. All right. What else? Oh, and if you do enjoy this video, I hope you consider hitting that like button and let your girl know that you like it, because if you like it, I love it, okay? Point blank, period. Now that we've gotten the intro out the way, you know we gotta do it before we start the video. It's a shout out. So shout out for this video goes to Melissa Ricarte, okay? Hopefully I'm saying that right, sis. Don't come for me. please. But Melissa Ricarte, or I don't really know how you say that. Ricarte? You know what? Support sis, okay? Just saying. Go and check out her channel, check out her videos, like, comment, subscribe, all that good jazz. Support a fellow YouTube small business. Support a small business too, but support a small YouTube channel, a budgeting channel in our community. But yeah, guys, that is my shout out for the week. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so as you can see from the spread, we're doing paycheck number 2. Won't he do it? Okay, thank you Lord. We're doing paycheck number 2, and if you're interested in the spread, this is by Her Courage to Plan, so go ahead and check this out. I'm pretty sure you can get it on her website still, maybe, I don't know, but you snooze you lose. Don't snooze, go check it out. So for my paycheck, let me flip this. This one might be a little different, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, because normally this is sinking funds, paycheck, but this one might be a little different. But anyways, so income planned, which is my actual, guys, I know exactly what I'm gonna make about a week before you guys see the video. So yeah. So $1085.90 was my actual paycheck, but you guys know your girl don't do the same situation. It automatically goes right to savings, and then I have nothing in unexpected, and boom. So total we are working with today is $1085, okay? Then the total amount going to tithes, you know, since it's 108 would be 10% of the 1,085, we're doing 110. Okay, boom. We're doing 110. But guys, I almost forgot. Okay, y'all, so I almost forgot, but we gotta pick our numbers. So let me just shake it a little. Boom. Open up. We not about to waste no time, take forever, none of that good jazz. All 4 coming off. Oh, don't make me look weak on camera. The disrespect. Okay, so this is the 100 envelope. So this one, right? Oh gosh, it fell. Hold up. All right, try to. $66. That's what we're doing for the first one. Okay, bet we can live with that. So that means that's the high side. So this is the low side of the 100. Okay, since it wanna come out, no. But this is the low side of the 100 envelope challenge. So if one would get in my hand, that would be great. So this one is $39. Okay, you know what? I'm not even mad. I'm good with those. I'm good with those numbers. I'm good. So for the 52-week challenge by Her Courage to Plan, This is the quarterly challenge. We're doing week 22, which is $44. That means this is the low half of the week, or well, the low half of the 52-week challenge. What is this one? Ugh. This one is week 35, which is 105. Okay, bet. So those are our numbers. Usually I'd be crazy not looking and be surprised and stuff. But guys, we got things to do, places to be, and money to get out of the ATM today, okay, for our cash stuffing. So, all right, so let's just update this real quick. So for my, what is this? This is my quarterly challenge. So for my quarterly challenge, it is 44 and 105, which that is 149. So we're gonna do that 149. And then for my 100 envelope challenge, it is 66 and 39. So that is what? 105. 6 and 9 is 5. 6 and 3 is 9 plus 1. That's 10. So yep, 105. Okay, boom. Let's go back. So right now my paycheck is $10.85 we're working with, minus the $110 for tithes, minus the $149 for quarterly challenge, minus the $105 for the 100 envelope challenge. So we have $725 to work with. We're gonna give $25 to car fuel because it's supposed to get $25. And it actually makes sense if I put my 110 in here. So minus 25. So now we're working with $696, right? So I write out all my stuff because I like to see them for when I'm doing my monthly. It's just easier rather than to just write down exactly what I'm putting towards, because baby, yeah, it's just easier to me. So nothing's going in groceries, crown, fine wine, definitely not allowance. Household can get $10. Toiletries can get $30 because we are trying to get all our products before we leave. Waxing's not getting anything, neither is health. Miscellaneous can get $5. Clothing, nothing. Support a friend, nothing. Going out, what do I give to going out? Going out. So here's the thing, okay? Spring is here. Your girl is feeling like being outside, okay? So a whole lot of more monies is going towards being outside. So I'm thinking it's a big dollar amount. $200 for going out. Don't blame me. I'm just making the budget. Going away is not getting anything. Electronics is getting $20. YouTube, nothing. Nails, nothing. Chiropractor, nothing. Massage and facials, nothing. The business is getting $50 and going away gets nothing. So $696 is what we're working with. So 10 plus 30 plus 5 plus 200 plus 20 plus 50 equal 315. So if we go 696 minus 315, 381 is what we. Okay, y'all. So Queen's B-Day and Fam's B-Day is not getting any money because they've gotten their normal. Neither is Christmas. We already did those two. Now, special occasions is getting $50. Like I said, a whole bunch of holidays and special occasions is coming up. So we're going to give her money as we see fit. Also, we're going to give $150 to Jamaica Vacation because I am behind in or like the YouTube's budget. I am definitely behind this. But you know, priorities is what it is. So let's minus this $150 and minus this $50 so we know where we're at. we're at 181. So of course I like to do, let's do 25 as usual for all the top dogs. So 25 for everybody. So that's $100. So that leaves $81 to work with. I'm gonna put $1 towards bill because you guys know it's not a necessity. That's the biggest non-necessity. So $1 is fine. Then Thanksgiving can get $5. Subscription can get, what did she get? Let's give her 15. So minus 5, minus 15. Leaves me with 60 to work with. I'm going to put 40 in Juneteenth, and I'm going to put 20 in Black Friday. And the reason I'm doing 40 in Juneteenth, June is coming up, and Black Friday is my Christmas. I have a goal of 300, so your girl is trying to get it all completed. I'm trying to get to my goal and then be done. Not putting anything in non-budgeted. If it happens, we'll get there. It is what it is. Cool. Boom, bada, bang. So let's go. So home, 25. So I'm gonna calculate all of these and then let y'all know. Okay, y'all, so my total at the end for my sinking funds is $635. So we're just gonna add up everything and it should come up to $1085. So I have $110 for tides, $25 for car fuel, $315 for cash envelopes, and $635 for sinking funds. $1085, we'll have to see it. Okay, so down here, income, $1085. Given is $110. Expenses is $25. Savings is $635. Envelopes is $315. And nothing to debt. And remaining is $0. So that is it, guys, for my budget. I really did not want to play no games. I didn't want us to be here forever. So we picked our numbers for our saving challenges, and we also budgeted our money, and little baby is going out. We going out. So yeah, guys, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and share this video with a family, friend, or foe. And before I forget, because I might be a little trifling, are you doing March Madness? Baby, it's the beginning of week 3. Are you in the giveaway? Baby, are you there? Get into it, okay? So guys, this is my March Madness money. On March 31st, I will be telling you guys how much I have exactly and which one I am saving for in my envelopes. So yeah, guys, March Madness money. But yeah, like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share this video with a family, a friend, or a foe. And again, my name is Anique N.A.K. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing, but she ain't